Right, this is the HOSTACK 67-inch tall storage cabinet. It's pretty nice. Got two of these shipped together at the same time. They arrived safely, no damage at all, but it is extremely heavy. You're going to want to get some help if you're moving this up some stairs or to another room, or I would suggest maybe taking the pieces out and moving them separately. It's your standard multi-piece cabinet you have to assemble. It comes with a set of instructions that walks you through it piece by piece. So if you've assembled some type of IKEA furniture or something like that before, it's very similar. You can see it's 67 inches tall. It's about 11 inches deep right here, and it is about almost 24 inches across this way. Each of these shelves here is capable of supporting 22 pounds. All three of these cabinets have an interior dimension of about 22 inches, almost 10 inches deep. Frosted glass texture on here on these windows, which I think is nice. You can see multiple pieces on here that you have to assemble and put together. We've got magnetic strips on here, so these doors will magnetize and keep closed. You can see all the pieces are numbered, that goes along with the instructions to help you assemble it. The middle section is nice, and going into the bottom section, I like the look of these doors right here. And you've got a couple of shelves in there and plenty of room to put stuff in there. So you can see I have this on carpet right here. So it comes with these brackets right here so that when I eventually do move it to this wall, I can mount it to the wall. You can see the back of it here. Pretty nice. All the shelves are screwed in, so it's really solid. Oh no, it's a nice looking white storage cabinet with frosted windows on it that would look good in any room, and look good in a sewing room, look good in a kitchen, anywhere. Pretty nice.